Hey everyone, John Green here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of making money as a software developer. It's 2024, and the tech landscape is buzzing with opportunity. Whether you're a coding ninja or just starting your journey, there's a place for you to thrive. Now you might be thinking, John, why is making money so important for developers? Well, it's simple. Developers are the architects of the digital age. We build the websites you browse, the apps you use, even the games you play. Our skills are in high demand, and that demand translates into earning potential. But it's not just about the money, right? It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, to build a comfortable life, and maybe even to change the world with your code. That's the developer's dream, and we're here to help you achieve it. So buckle up, grab your favorite energy drink, and let's explore the different paths you can take to turn your coding skills into a lucrative career. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and choosing the projects you want to work on. Sounds pretty sweet, right? That's the beauty of freelancing. As a freelance developer, you're essentially a one-person business. You offer your coding services to clients around the world, working remotely and setting your own rates. It's a great option for those who value flexibility and independence. But where do you find these freelance gigs? Well, the internet is your oyster, my friend. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are teeming with businesses looking for talented developers like you. Create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that pique your interest. Now, freelancing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. It requires discipline, self-motivation, and excellent time management skills. You're responsible for finding your own clients, managing your workload, and ensuring you get paid on time. But hey, nothing worth having comes easy, right? With hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit, freelancing can be an incredibly rewarding way to make money as a developer. If the freelance life sounds a bit too unpredictable for you, don't worry. There's another path to developer rich's full-time employment. Landing a full-time developer role offers stability, a steady paycheck, and the opportunity to work on exciting projects with a talented team. Plus, you'll enjoy benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and maybe even some cool office perks. So where do you start your job hunt? Well, websites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor are your best friends. Polish up your resume, highlight your skills, and start applying to companies that align with your interests and career goals. Remember, the tech industry is incredibly competitive. To stand out from the crowd, consider building a strong online presence. Create a portfolio website to showcase your projects, contribute to open source projects, and network with other developers online and at industry events. Once you land that dream job, don't forget to continuously learn and grow. The tech world is constantly evolving, so staying ahead of the curve is crucial for long-term success. Section 4. Passive income streams, building for the future. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, while you sip cocktails on a beach, or while you're busy coding up your next masterpiece. Sounds like a developer's paradise, right? While it's not exactly money for nothing, passive income streams require upfront effort, but can generate income over the long term with minimal ongoing maintenance. And for developers, the possibilities are endless. One popular option is creating and selling online courses. Are you a whiz at Python, a JavaScript Jedi? Share your knowledge with the world and earn passive income from course sales. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell your courses to a global audience. Another lucrative avenue is developing and selling mobile apps. Have a brilliant app idea? Bring it to life and monetize it through app stores, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. Remember Flappy Bird? That simple game generated millions in revenue for its creator. The key to passive income is to create something valuable that solves a problem or fulfills a need. Focus on your strengths, be creative, and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 5. Challenges and solutions. Navigating the developer landscape. Now let's be real for a second. The path to developer riches isn't always smooth sailing. You'll encounter challenges along the way, but hey, that's part of the adventure, right? One common challenge is staying motivated and avoiding burnout. Coding can be mentally demanding, especially when you're working long hours or facing tight deadlines. The key is to prioritize self-care, take breaks, and pursue hobbies outside of coding. Another challenge is dealing with competition. The tech industry is full of talented individuals, so it's important to continuously learn and improve your skills. Embrace a growth mindset, attend workshops, participate in online communities, and never stop learning. Rejection is also part of the game. Whether it's a freelance proposal that gets rejected or a job application that goes unanswered, don't let it discourage you. Learn from your experiences, iterate, and keep pushing forward. Remember, every successful developer has faced challenges and setbacks along the way. It's how you overcome those challenges that defines your journey. Section 6, Real-World Success: Inspiring Stories from the Trenches. Let's take a break from the theoretical and get inspired by some real-world success stories. Because hey, if they can do it, so can you. Meet Sarah, a freelance web developer who quit her 9-to-5 job to pursue her passion for coding. She started by building websites for local businesses and gradually expanded her client base through word of mouth and online platforms. Today, she runs a successful freelance business, working remotely from her dream destination. Then there's David, a self-taught mobile app developer who created a hit meditation app that garnered millions of downloads. He had no prior experience but was driven by a desire to help others manage stress and anxiety. His app not only generated significant income, but also made a positive impact on countless lives. These are just two examples of the countless developers who have carved their own paths to success. Their stories highlight the power of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Section 7, Conclusion: Taking Charge of Your Earning Potential. So, there you have it. We've explored the exciting world of making money as a software developer. From freelancing and full-time employment to passive income streams and real-world success stories. Remember, the tech industry is brimming with opportunities, and your earning potential is limited only by your imagination and willingness to put in the work. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, the time to take action is now. Embrace your inner coding ninja, sharpen your skills, and don't be afraid to chase your dreams. The world needs talented developers like you, and the rewards are well worth the effort. So go out there, code with passion, and build the future you deserve. And hey, maybe one day, you'll be the one inspiring the next generation of developers. Until next time, keep coding and keep dreaming big.